In this video, we will show you how to transfer Windows to another drive. Sometimes it's very important you have a backup or clone of your Windows operating system, and it can be safer if your current Windows is corrupt in the near future. Then you have a backup so you can clone it whenever you want, or you can restore them. In here, I'm using Aome Backupper to do transfer Windows to another drive using features called clone in here. Okay, you can also backup your system into another drive or USB if you have USB. Okay, you can see, but you must have a high USB capacity. In here for 14 USB it's not enough. And to transfer your Windows to another drive, you can using a feature called clone. In here, you can using this clone, partition clone, or just using system clone. Because in this tutorial, we do to transfer just only the Windows, so we can select system clone. In here, you can select destination partition for your system or Windows. For example, in here, we can using our external disk, and in here my USB, but you can see there our partition is too small because our system is large, so this is not the best option. You can using the external drive for external hard drive or external SSD. And for example, if you have the enough partition or size of your drive, you can click to the next. Okay, in here you can just click OK for final operation, and you need to know that your current drive will overwritten or deleted the files, so make sure no important files on your backup drive. And that's all tutorial how to transfer Windows to another drive. Hope this video helpful for you.